Before many years, all the birds and animals were living happily in the forest. All were very happy. One day, a sparrow was sitting with her little ones, and others were moving around their nest. Suddenly, a loud noise came and all got scared. Even the sparrow's nest fell down. The scared sparrow was crying continuously.
Oh God, how can I save my little ones?
We must decide what to do. We have to save our jungle. All the animals decided to meet King of the Jungle. All the animals came to meet Lion and said, "Oh great king, do something. Please save our jungle. Humans are cutting all the trees." The king lion said, "Don't worry. I have an idea. We will take the help of mountain. Dear mountain, we want strong wind from your side. When people come," king said, "Dear birds, you all need to collect the stones and drop them down once I inform." King gave this mic to the rabbit and said, "Shout louder like a scary monster." Now all the animals and birds were ready to fight against people who will come to cut the trees. Mountain saw the people and started to release strong wind. Monkey was keeping the watch and started to shout, "Dear friends, people are here in the jungle." And Lion ordered, "Attack!" The angry rabbit said, "If you cut the trees, you will get the punishment." But the man couldn't stop and all the birds started to throw stones on those people. The boy said, "Someone is throwing stones." Rabbit was continuously shouting, "Ooh, run away, otherwise I will eat you." And all the people who came to cut the tree started to run and went out of the jungle. All the animals gathered together and said, "Thank you, dear king, you saved us." Now all the birds are very happy and enjoying the jungle.
If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.